Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide highlights on Instagram. Open your Instagram app, tap on profile on the lower portion, and then as what you can see, click on highlights, and then tap on the three buttons, three dots, and then remove from highlight, and tap on remove. And as what you can see, it has been removed from your profile as a highlight. Now, if you're going to restore your highlight, you just need to go to your archive. There you can see other stories or highlights. So the highlight is this one on April 18. Tap on the three dots and then tap add. And now it will be go back to your highlights. So let's view it on my profile. And there you go. It was already back as highlights. And let's click on it. And that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.